Welcome back everybody. Here I'm making another video on PHP. So as you know that we're just talking about the looping. The first thing first, we're just talking about the while loop. So now, what is it? How the while loop work and what it is actually. So actually if you just want to print one echo or any statement like if, else or a switch statement, anything you want to print anything multiple times, you have to use the looping. You can do while loop, you can do while loop, you can do for loop or for each. Okay, so you can do that thing in this way. You just simply have to use the looping command. There are a lot of commands on looping. First of all, I'm just teaching you while loop. Before the while loop, obviously before the while loop, you have to clear that how much time you want to print any statement. For example, I'm just creating a variable here where, or I'm just typing here simply C. For counting any text you can put as a variable, no problem. I'm just putting count. Okay, I'm just completely adding count in is equals to, and here I'm just I just mentioned 10. Go here a little down and just create the while loop. Okay, let's just print that while loop. Now obviously, as the previous command, we have to create two parentheses first, and then we have to insert the curly braces. In the parentheses, we have to add a condition, and then in the curly braces, we have to put the statement which we just want to print multiple times. For example, the 10 times. But the problem is that what command I'm just going to use here. For example, I'm just typing here $sign and the count, okay, and the greater than, less than and equal to sign. Okay, here I'm just typing 10. Okay, I'm just telling if the count is minor or less than 10 or equal to the 10, then this statement should print. Obviously this statement should print actually. So obviously it will print, but only one time, because this statement will covered, or maybe it can become a virus, just because obviously always without any breaking this command will run. Just why? Because it is impossible that the count will be higher or actually the count is equal to 10. So obviously this loop will run until this statement goes false. Obviously this is not going to false. So here if I just use echo, and I'll show you what happened. I'm just adding hello command or hello or anything, and here I'm just adding a BR tag. Okay, so let's just go to the browser and check it what is happening. I'm just typing the localhost and /php and plus enter. Now you can see that these are a lot of lines, and hello, it can't be, and as you can see that, and at last it will become a virus for our browser, and we have to close our browser. So in this way we can't handle the while loop. But the thing is that we have to add an incrementation on it after every while loop. Here I'm just adding count and 2 plus plus, and what is this actually? When this while loop run one time and this echo will display on the screen, then the count get one increment, and then obviously it will become the 11. And now obviously as you can see that this statement becomes false, and now we can't see the looping again and again. So here I'm just typing localhost and / and PHP and pressing enter. Now I'm just getting one time. Why? Obviously this is 10, and here I'm just telling that if the count is minus or the equal than 10, equal to 10, then this statement should show. And after that I'm just adding an increment here. So in this case I just have to type 1 there, okay, with the count. Let's refresh it now. Hello, 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 multiple hellos. So okay, I hope you understood how to do that thing. Here I'm just calling the count dot. Obviously I'm just concatenating them. Here this is the count variable. Here I'm just calling them and just put an space in the string to show the space. Go to the browser and refresh it now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and in this way I got the thing which I just want. So guys, I hope you understood how to do that. Simply when it becomes 10, it will show last time, and then before running the while again, it get another increment and it becomes 11, and now as you can see that it got end in this way. So this is a simple while loop. We will learn some more things about looping in next class. Goodbye and stay tuned.